Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to be showing you a new cool tool through labs.google, and this is called GenType. So you can kind of create your own text based off whatever you want, pretty much, right? So this is still in the experimental phase, and I was messing around a bit and I was getting, some errors on what I wanted to create because there are limitations. But yeah, let's jump in and get started. I'll get straight to the point here. So to get to this site, you go to labs.google, and then for GenType, right here, labs.google/GenType. I will put the link down below for this site. So this is a pretty simple platform, and this is still in experimental mode, but what you do here is in the top left corner, you type in, you want a foreground, what's going to be in the foreground, a background, what's on the background, and then the style of the photo. So what does each photo look like? So, for example, ladybugs on a green leaf aerial photo. Now, if you don't really know what you want or what you want to create, this is great for a brand. If it's like, I make orange juice, I want orange juice, or oranges maybe, on a tree, and then, I don't know, a dreamy photo or dreamy realistic photo. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you some examples that they already have in their gallery, and they're kind of cool. So you can test out this. This is gigantic, futuristic spaceship, and then all you got to do here is type your text. So we'll do Nari Media, for example. And we can make it larger. What you can do is you can save as a PNG. So you can export it, use it, whatever. Now let's go through a few more, and you can see the prompt they used here as well. So this helps you. A giant futuristic spaceship in outer space, scientific, cinematic, aesthetic, overhead tilted angle. So that gives it the instructions, right? So we'll go here to the gallery. And there's quite a few. Green lawnmower, here we go. Nari Media. So you can go through and kind of create whatever you'd like. It's kind of fun. Right, and then there's the pipes. So it's a pretty cool, fun thing to do if you just wanted to mess around, use it for branding or anything like that, or create your own custom font. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick short tutorial. I have a few more really cool Google drops that have just came through, so stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.